In this video, you'll learn how to create a purchase order in Zoho. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to navigate the Zoho interface and successfully generate a purchase order, ensuring that your procurement process is efficient and organized. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoho CRM platform. Once the page loads, you should see the Zoho CRM dashboard. Look for the Leads tab, which is typically located on the left side of the screen. Click on Leads to proceed. After accessing the Leads section, you will see a list of your leads. Now locate the option labeled Purchase Orders in the sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to the Purchase Orders Management area, where you can view existing orders or create new ones. Once you are in the Purchase Orders section, you will find several options. Look for a button that says Create Purchase Order and click on it. This action will direct you to the purchase order creation form, allowing you to input the necessary details for the new order. In the creation form, you will first need to select the purchase order owner. This is typically a drop-down menu where you can choose the appropriate owner for this purchase order. After making your selection, confirm the choice before moving on to the next field. Next, click on the subject field to enter a brief description of the purchase order. This helps in identifying the order later. Once you have entered the subject, proceed to highlight the specific items or services you are ordering by clicking on the corresponding field. Now, navigate to the requisition number field. This is where you can input any reference number associated with the purchase request. After entering this information, click on the contact name field to specify the contact person related to this order. Once you've filled out the contact name, move on to the due date field. Here you can set a deadline for when the order should be fulfilled. It is important to choose a realistic date based on your procurement needs. After that, click on Excise Duty to enter any applicable duties associated with the order. Next, find the status field. This indicates the current state of the purchase order. Select the appropriate status from the available options. After that, look for the address information section where you can fill in the delivery address for the order. Following the address information, you will need to provide the billing address. Ensure that this address matches the one on file to avoid any discrepancies. After entering the billing address, click on the PO number field to assign a unique identifier for this purchase order. Then select the vendor name from the drop-down list. This identifies the supplier from whom you are ordering. After selecting the vendor, input the tracking number if applicable. This helps in tracking the shipment once the order is placed. Next, you will find the PO date field, where you can specify the date of the purchase order. After entering this date, click on the carrier field to indicate the shipping service that will deliver the order. You will then see an option for sales commission. This field can be filled out if there is a commission associated with the order. Lastly, locate the shipping address field to confirm where the items will be sent. Once all necessary fields have been completed, find the Save button at the bottom of the form. Click on Save to finalize the creation of your purchase order. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your purchase order has been successfully created. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.